The dates for the assembly elections to be held in 5 states have been announced. The Election Commission announced the poll dates for 5 states including Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Assam and Puducherry. Polls in Kerala will be held on April 6th and Tamil Nadu on April 6th. The counting of votes will take place on May 2nd in all 5 states.
Kerala. All elections in 14 districts consisting of 140 assembly constituencies to be held in a single phase as follows. Issue of notification 12th March. Scrutiny of nominations 20th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 22nd March. Date of poll 6th April.
In Assam, the polls will be held in 3 phases. The first phase will be held on March 27th, the second phase on April 1st, and the third phase on April 6th. West Bengal will go to the polls in 8 phases. The first phase will be on March 27th, second phase on April 1st, third phase April 6th, fourth phase April 10th, fifth phase April 17th, sixth phase April 22nd, seventh phase April 26th, and eighth phase on April 29th. Results will be declared on May 2nd. In Kerala, the election notification will be issued on March 12th. The last date for nominations is March 19th. The scrutiny will take place on March 20th and the withdrawal date is March 22nd. Elections will be held in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry on dates similar to Kerala. Polls are to be held for 294 seats in West Bengal, 234 seats in Tamil Nadu, 140 seats in Kerala and 126 seats in Assam and 30 seats in the Union Territory of Puducherry. The Election Commission said that they have taken all measures keeping in mind the COVID protocol. Full management of the security forces has been done. In Kerala, there are 40,771 polling booths. Deepak Mishra IPS will be the observer of Kerala. The by-polls in the Malappuram Lok Sabha constituency will be held simultaneously on April 6th. Only 2 persons can accompany the candidate while filing the nominations. A maximum of 1,000 voters will be allowed in a booth. COVID protocol must be strictly followed in the polling booths. An additional officer will be assigned to set up the booth. Postal voting facilities will be arranged for COVID patients, people above the age of 80 and people with disabilities.
A total of 824 assembly constituencies shall be going for polls during these elections. 18.68 crore electors will cast vote at 2.7 lakh polling stations in these states and UT of Puducherry. More than 3 lakh service vote electors will be availing the facility of electronic transmitted postal ballot system, that is ETPBS. The norms for the polling personnel and the security personnel remain the same. And although we try that, our CEOs try that the auxiliary polling stations, as we call them, are near the original polling stations so that we can kind of optimize on the utilization of manpower. You are all aware that after taking the inputs from several stakeholders, Commission had issued a set of guidelines for COVID in the context of COVID on 22nd August 2020. The inputs were taken from political parties as well as from our CEOs of all the states and UTs.
News Desk, Kaumudy English.